Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're already modding the Passport. Well, we're not doing much to this, but we are going to install the PRL drop-in filter and the coupler. And I'm going to show you guys one thing that I don't know if anyone knows that this fits, but we're going to try and do the large intake scoop from the ridgeline on here. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. It looks identical. No idea if anyone else has installed one, but we figured it would work, so why not try it out and give you guys another option to buy from us. So let's dive in. All right, so we already took this off. You just have to lift up lightly on it. Excuse the mess. Just bought it, so I haven't had time to detail the engine bay. So we already took the two clips off here. There's no part on there, so it just basically moves out. So we're going to take out that whole piece, and then we're going to take out the air box so we can put the plug on the bottom, so we don't have it silenced. It'll be just slightly louder. Do the land filter, and then change out this coupler for a smoother airflow. All right, so we removed the lower piece. You're gonna basically bypass this, take that off, and then we put this part right on there. All right, so we got this ugly beast. You can see the accordion style. Not good for airflow. So I'm just gonna clean up some stuff real quick, and then we just put the air filter back in the box, the new coupler on, and put this high flow duct on. All right guys, so got the 10 millimeters back in. The coupler is on. I just left it loose because I need to put the top portion on, and then we can kind of rotate it and then clamp everything down. All right guys, that's a wrap. So if you're gonna install this, it's not a perfect fit. I'll make a note on the website. We actually didn't put the little scoop in underneath because we need to modify it a little bit and trim it up for it actually to work perfect. But yeah, that's everything installed. We're gonna take it out now and just see how it drives. Hope you guys like. And subscribe to the channel if you guys can. Really appreciate it. We're not really doing a ton of stuff to this vehicle, but I just want to do an intake, maybe a little bit better gas mileage. And yeah, hope you guys like. Thanks again. All right guys, just a little startup. See if we notice any intake noise. It's just slightly louder. All right, we're just gonna step on it a little bit and show you guys, just so you guys can hear the different sound. All right guys, want to give you some content. Hope you guys liked it. Till next time.